Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to prepare powdered media. Cell culture media is a crucial component in various biological and scientific fields, including pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and cell culture research. It serves as a growth substrate for cells, providing them with the essential nutrients they need to grow and multiply. To prepare 1 liter of powdered media, you will need the following materials. Let's get started with the process. First, check the condition of the powder before preparation. It should flow freely and be free of clumps. If there's clumping, it indicates that the medium has absorbed moisture, which can affect product quality and stability. Next, measure either cell culture grade water or ultra-pure water to less than 90% of the final volume stated on the label and pour it into a clean mixing container. Now, if you're preparing less than the entire contents of the medium provided in the bag, the powdered media will need to be weighed. Ensure your scale and weigh dish are clean and free of contaminants. In this case, as we will prepare 1 liter, weigh out the quantity specified in the instructions for use of dry powdered media. Add the powder in a continuous stream into the water while stirring at low speeds. Remember, never add water to the powder as it will clump and prevent full dissolution. Now, add the sodium bicarbonate as specified in the instructions for use for each individual dry powdered medium. Stir continuously for 10 minutes until completely dissolved and then transfer the media to the graduated cylinder. Note: in this case, no other supplementation will be added. Before adjusting the pH, make sure that the pH meter was properly calibrated. Add water to within 1% of the final volume and adjust the pH of the medium to the value stated for each individual powdered medium. Here we are setting to 7.3. Now, stop stirring and add water to the specified final volume. The solution is then filter sterilized through a 0.22 micron or smaller sterilizing filter. Use the same bottle used in the filtration step to store the media. Now your media is ready to be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius protected from light. And that concludes our tutorial on the preparation of dry powdered media. Thank you for watching. With this tutorial, you can now confidently prepare your own powdered media. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.